Okay. So now we have run out of mana again. Okay, let's try 70%. Okay, another way is to add mana regen to the game. Whoa. Okay, so now as you can see, the same thing is happening again. Okay, so now I'm left with 1 MP. Which only allows me to do 1 attack. Okay, so that means I have to add mana regen to the game. So that means we can also add a new character growth that allows faster mana regen. Okay. So to do that, we need a delay before mana regen. Okay, by default, let's set it as 1. Okay, and we need a default so that we can reset the player with this default value when it's game over. Okay, so this is where we reset the delay. Oh. Okay, so I'm missing a F. Okay, so inside start, we will start a new code routine which will be called continuously to regen the player's mana. Okay, wait, then regen MP. Okay, luckily we have already written the script for regaining mana and updating the mana bar, so we can easily add this regening of mana. Okay, gain mana 1. Start coroutine. Okay, delay before mana regen. Okay, so your mana will only regain by 1 if it is not max. Oh. Gain mana. Line 80. Oh. Okay, this should be a float. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, so if I press the X key, if I use up all my mana, okay, notice that the mana is regening. Okay, but kind of fast. Okay, so let's increase the delay of the mana regen. Okay, let's try 5. Okay, by the way, 5 doesn't mean 5 seconds. Okay, so if I use all my mana, okay, notice that the mana is slowly regening. Okay, but in terms of the regen speed is still rather fast. So let me increase the regen. Okay, to maybe 15. Okay, so now that I've used up all my mana, let's wait for it to regen. Okay, so now at least the mana is regening at a not so unbalanced rate. Okay, wow, it isn't anything fast. Okay, this means that I can also introduce characters that have a faster mana regen. Okay, so now that we have added mana regen to the game, there is one thing we can do for the mana regen, and that is to add an animation that will play when the mana is regening. Okay, which means I will need my tablet. Okay, so let's create the frames for the animation. Okay, it won't be anything fancy. Okay, but let's try and see what we will get. So first thing first, we have to make sure that it is the same, or it's either the same or a close color to that of the mana bar. Okay, so for version 1, we'll go with something simple. Okay, we'll go with the blue cross. Okay, it might not be visible, not that visible, so let's increase the one, two, three, four. Okay, so it might be something like this. Okay, so that is version 1. Or maybe we can even fluctuate the size of the cross. Or not. Okay, so that's version 1. Okay, now version 2. Okay, for version 2. So for version 2, instead of a cross, we might try something like a particle effect, which might look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this looks like a ball. So let's erase that. Okay, let's try a different shape. Maybe a different shape will look better. So Okay, this is just me randomly sketching, so you might see some weird shapes coming out. Okay, maybe a diamond. Okay, this doesn't look good, so let's remove that. Okay, maybe a smaller diamond. Okay, something like okay, maybe something like this. Or maybe something shorter. Or maybe something even shorter. Okay, this is too big. This might or might not work. Okay, or maybe a smaller cross might help. Retrieve. Okay, so maybe instead of the usual going up animation, where the icon will slowly go up, okay, maybe I can make it jump up and towards the side to indicate the mana regen. Okay, this looks interesting. Okay, maybe I have 3 different sizes, 2 to 3 different sizes of the blue cross. Okay, so that there's some variety in the animation. Okay, so maybe I have a medium size one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so with the 3 different sizes, it might look better. Okay, so let's export these 3 images. Okay, and for the animation we will. So for the mana regen animation will most likely be about controlling or manipulating these 3 images and moving them